Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to jailbreak iOS 14. So let's start. First open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down to General and tap on About. And here you will see that my software version is 14.2 and my phone is iPhone 6s. Now open a browser and go to iosjailbreak.pro. Here you have to select your device and your iOS version. And make sure to enable Create Backup. Now select your device. And select your iOS version. And tap on Start Jailbreak. And tap on Jailbreak again. Now wait till the process gets completed. Now you have to verify that you are a human, not a robot. Now all you have to do is you have to download this app and follow the instruction. You have to download this app and run it for 30 seconds. And when you are done, the Cydia app will automatically start downloading. And you can easily jailbreak your iPhone with that app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.